Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering a 5-gallon primary fermenter, a 6-gallon carboy, 25 or more 750 milliliter bottles, an airlock, hydrometer, siphon, and a fine straining bag. For a standard batch, use approximately 20 pounds of ripe fruit or 5 gallons of quality juice, plus 8 to 12 pounds of sugar if needed to reach desired alcohol. Sanitize everything with a Campden solution or sulfite rinse. Add 1 teaspoon yeast nutrient per gallon, and prepare wine yeast according to package directions. Pitch the prepared wine yeast into must when temperature is steady at 68-72 degrees F to avoid stress. Stir vigorously to aerate and check initial specific gravity with a hydrometer. Target numbers depend on desired ABV. Allow active primary fermentation for about 1 week, then siphon off lees into a 6-gallon carboy for secondary fermentation. Rack every 2 to 4 weeks to clarify. Expect secondary fermentation and settling to take 3 to 6 weeks until specific gravity is stable for at least 3 days. When gravity is stable and fermentation is complete, stabilize with 1 Campden tablet per gallon and add 1/4 teaspoon potassium sorbate per gallon to prevent re-fermentation. Rack the wine off sediment into a clean carboy and allow aging at 55-65 degrees F for a minimum of 3 months, though 6 to 12 months improves clarity and flavor. Before bottling, taste and fine if needed. Then siphon into 750 milliliter bottles, leaving about 1/2 inch headspace. A 5-gallon batch yields approximately 25.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.